let's learn how to make some country-style sandwiches. First step, take one piece of bread, put it in your mixing bowl, slap it down there, just like that. We'll need that in a sec, okay? So, next step, get a plate of mysterious powders. Thank you. Just like that. There we are. This is dirt. This is pink dart. I don't know any of the other stuff. I'm sure it'll taste fine though. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a pinch of dirt. Right on there, just like that. And we're gonna add a pinch of pink dirt. Right in there, just like that. A scrape of the purple stuff. It's delicious. Just like that. And then we're gonna take the rest of this vile powder. We're gonna put it right on in there. Gonna be delicious. Just like Mama Bear used to make. Next is the super secret part, okay? We're gonna take just a little bit of this white stuff. Sprinkle it on there. Real quiet like though. And then we're gonna take it just like this, like you're holding a burrito. Put it right on in there. Just like that. And now comes my favorite part, where we pour in the water right into my mouth. Probably add a little bit to this recipe too. Yeah. Alrighty. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up your mixing cup and you're just gonna roll it around just like that. Let the cup do most of the work for you. You don't want to cramp up your hands. What are you gonna shoot people with then? So there we are, just like that, until it's nice and bubbly. Then, remember this from earlier? It's coming back into play because we're gonna take it just like this. We're gonna extend our pinky as to be polite. Then we're just gonna pour it right on in there just like that. Then we're gonna take the other part, boom, just like that. And just for good measure, we're just gonna wash it around just like we're panning for gold. It's just gonna be delicious. Then we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it right in the oven. It'll be ready in a couple years or so. Let's go check on them. Hoo-wee! Looks like they're made to perfection. Now, as you can see here, we've made some pretty darn tasty sandwiches. Let me have a little sample. Well, hold on a sec. It's missing something. Yeah, that's what it needed. A little human blood never hurts a sandwich. Well, let's give it a try and see how our human blood made it taste better. That hits the spot right there. Tune in next week where I'll be teaching y'all how to make a special type of taco. Don't forget, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and feel free to share it with all your friends. Now, get ready for some bonus behind the scenes content. Yoo-hoo! Welcome to behind the scenes.
You could change it up.
We just shot the intro, so here's what we're doing. We're taking Flavor Aid, putting it
You want one of these?
just like
Dave?
that. That'd be pretty cool.
Okay. Is this behind the scenes, Mike?
Yeah, we're filming behind the scenes. Ooh, this is a good song.
I agree.
Wait, I need that powder. Megan,
Oh, this is actually gonna be good shit.
give me the
dude.
powder. Give me the powder.
Okay.
Alright, wait, what else do we need? We need more. Alright.
So that all you people can be gloriously satisfied.
Okay.
So damn hard to satisfy. This is
Oh, you got more stuff up here.
So I'm thinking he's gonna just hand me just a fucking paper towel, just
Wait,
full of
can I have that
powders, and
powder
I can just boom.
Can I have that powder?
This is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my life.
I'm gonna fucking puke.
It's
Looks like someone took a shit.
Thank you, Gelsert. They've really given us.
Get it on the bread a little
Fucking
bit.
puke, dude.
Just gotta get it on the bread.
Delicious.
So, we're just prepping the next scene here. Dave was practicing his blood scene. We got our PB&Js made. Meg made them pretty Danny actually might eat one after we're done. So yeah, I'm throwing this
I'm
in.
eating those.
Oh, you want to eat both of them?
I feel like I'll take a bite from one of them,
Okay.
and then I'll
do your blood.
and then I'll be like, ah.
You actually want to take another bite?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
It'll be gross.
Alright, so
but
then
I
we'll
feel
go
like
through this in the oven, and we're all set. We're ready for the second scene.
That's right.
Here's some water, dude.
Putting a mix of two different powders in my hand. You see, the trick is to make it look nice and thick. We add more
Jello?
of this, more of the powder than we have.
It's gonna be a lot of
liquid.
freaking blood, though.
I bleed a lot. There we go.
Yeah, but wait, okay, hold on. But you actually want to eat these sandwiches?
It's just gonna taste like strawberry.
Okay, fine.
We'll position that just like that. Okay, let's see. Hopefully this won't run out of my hands too soon.
Too much in.
Come on. Oh shit. We get like a paper towel.
No, we'll be fine. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?